Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be doing a unboxing. I'll be doing an unboxing. So I kind of been having the worst luck with phones.
Mama.
I just got this replacement phone in July. So I got a new one, brand new. Hopefully this will be a good one for me. I don't really know what to say. I just hope it works and it don't break, okay? Only thing I've been hearing is that the color doesn't last long on it. No. Okay, so this is what I got. iPhone 17 Pro Max. The box is actually heavy for it to only be a phone and a cord. It's very heavy. I did get it in silver. I'm not a fan of orange, but I saw the orange was turning pink. But it's still orange. It'll only be pink in the places I touch it, and I have to have a case on it because yeah. So baby in the background. So let's open it. I got 512 gigabytes. Let's just open up.
Gummy bear. Yeah, poo poo. Yeah, poo poo.
Wow. It is pretty. Can't lie about that. It's very pretty. Yes, beautiful. And then it looks like a long cord, but I doubt it's long. Paperwork. There's literally nothing in here. There's nothing.
What? No. But
I'll open it just for. Don't need a physical SIM card anymore. And that's literally all that there is. And that's it. Apple said all you need is the phone. You don't need anything else. All you need is the phone. Or I'm tripping because this is very thick. No, I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. Okay, so I did get a screen protector. I actually got a screen protector from Best Buy with the lifetime warranty. Yeah, so I got one with the lifetime warranty. I ordered protective cases, but they're not here yet. So I got this case from Five Below. I do want a whole bunch of cases so I can switch them out, I guess. But this is going to be the first case that we put on this bad boy. It is a silicone case. Oopsie, I'm already.
Mama.
I like how it's like matte. Like my 14, let's take it out the case. So this is the 14 Pro Max. It's shiny on the sides. I did like that, but like, I don't know. I like both. This phone dirty. That's disgusting. Kamara, nobody did that but you anyway. So side by side, this is the volume button side. Volume button. It's hard to do with a baby on your back that only wants you because you're doing something. I'm trying my best. And then this is the power button. We literally can't see. Let me. Don't mind the mess. Hold up. Kamara, get back for a second.
Back.
So side by side with the power button side, and then this is the volume button. So this is not a slide anymore. Top minus the dirt, and then well, you can't see the bottom yet, but we know we got the other adapter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, peel the paper off, and we're gonna set this thing up. It is cute. It's growing on me. And that's all the paper that's on there, just the front. Go ahead, put that bad boy in there because don't got time.
Big boo, big boo.
Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Okay.
Okay, that's cute. Let me go ahead. You know, I asked English, United States. What does this say? Appearance. I'm gonna leave it on default for now, the letter size, but I wear glasses, so it might have to be larger. But this is like very big. I know the screen did.
Baby jump.
I know the screen did get larger. Like I had to get a new phone because my my phone camera does not, my front camera does not even register. Okay, so now I'm at Face ID. It's time to set it up. This is actually huge. Like, I'm trying to see how I can show y'all. I'll go against the wall over here. It already, but like, look how big the screen is. The quality is actually very good. Very good. Like, I don't know, it just give, like, it very much give. It gives. It is heavy though. Like, my arm is tired. Okay, so this is new, stolen device protection. I never saw that. I'ma allow it, turn on, whatever.
Mama, they're not on.
I'm gonna add all my cards later. Ah!
Ew.
Apple Intelligence, that sound like
Mama,
AI.
ew.
I'm gonna say set up later. Okay. Hold on. So this is new on here. Camera control. Click camera control to open a camera app. Click again to take a photo. Light press to adjust zoom, exposure, and more. So what they mean by that?
Mama, wait.
No, I don't need all that. Okay, continue. Action. Use and customize the action button to open camera. Turn silent mode on or off. Turn on flashlight and more. Let's see. Customize. Silent mode.
Mama, wait.
Camera. We don't need that because I already got that. Turn on extra light when you need it. Voice memo. Recognize music. Shazam. Translate. Magnifier.
Come on.
Or I can add my own shortcut.
Come on.
I think I'm gonna keep it as a ringer for right now.
Come on. Mama, come on. Right now. Come on. Right now. Baby, come on. Mama.
Oh, my fault, y'all. Okay, so it's all transferred. Everything is transferred. Let's see. Wow. Look at there. It says restore completed. I don't really have. I don't really have a lot of apps. What does this say? Focus on what matters with liquid glass controls. Liquid glass. Access menu options with controls that fluidly morph. Okay. Whoop-dee-doo, say now. Welcome. Oh, that's so cute. I always delete all these extra apps. I don't know what to look at first. Let's look at the camera. Okay, beautiful. Hush, please. Choose a photographic style. Standard. I think I'm gonna do standard. These look like filters, basically.
Mama, gotcha.
Let's see. It say customize.
Mama, what?
So I don't know. I'm gonna just use standard. Let me see.
That.
I'm gonna screen record. for y'all.
No.
Look at my hair. I like it. I like. Okay. The quality is very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. I don't know what that's about yet. We'll try that later. The quality is A1. Let me see the my hands are very dry. I need some lotion. Let me see the wallpaper. The new wallpapers. Oh, they have emoji wallpapers? Yes, baby. Hold on. You can get up here. Get up here. I gotta stay right here, baby.
Let's go.
You ready to go? Okay.
Yes.
Do I have a favorite emoji? Let's see. Oh, this is new.
Mama, don't just do it.
This is new too. No, open it. I need the light.
Open.
Please, open.
No. I got.
Open door.
No.
Please.
No.
Let's see. Let's do 2.
Mama, no. Okay. Okay.
That's cool.
Mama, open door.
Look at that. That's very pretty. I like that one. That is very cute.
Open door.
Oh my goodness. That's cute. Okay, I like that. Let's see color.
Got it.
Let's do pink. Pale pink. That's pretty. I like that.
Mama, yay.
That's very pretty.
Mama. Mama.
So you a copycat?
Copycat?
Yeah, that's what you are, a copycat. Okay, these are cute.
Mama, G, Jill.
Are you on the C2? Okay, hold on. So I'm right now I'm putting the
What do?
background
Mama,
and the message thread, and I use myself, but it has like my address in there, so I'm not screen recording or anything. But I'm just
Mama, Jen. Boo, boo, boo.
I don't know. I like, but I don't. It gave me like Instagram vibes.
Mama, football.
The search is at the bottom, like they said.
Mama,
Let's see. I'm gonna
football.
click the side button.
Oh.
It did open up. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Say cheese, baby.
Cheese.
Oh, the camera quality is so good.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Whoa.
And even on the little flower thing, y'all know how when y'all open your camera, like immediately, and then it just go to that little flower thing when I guess like it's dark. Like,
See that?
hey, that right there. You know what I'm talking about? It's not gonna. I might not show right now. Right there.
Okay.
But like on my 14, every time I do that, the quality is terrible. I don't know what that's about, but they fixed it on here. But this is huge. Like I'm just now realizing like the screen is big. It's very big. I like it though. I kind of thought like the camera, like this being as big as it is, I thought it was gonna be like.
Mama.
But I do like the case with the. Thank you. I do like the case with the open. I thought I would like it better with like closed up, but I don't. Screen protector me, please. But I do like the phone.
Mama.
Oh, it was on silent. Do they have new ringtones? Wait a minute. Did it even? Oh, okay, because it just opened up like, what? Action button. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna play around with it more, and I'm gonna set it up to fit me, like as I'm looking at it. Like the, hold on. The liquid glass, that's what they call it. Like you can see it on this. I really don't know how I feel about that.
Oh.
Cause like you can, it's like very noticeable. I don't know how to explain it. Like on, I don't know. On the other app, on the other iOS, you can't really. Did you just lick me? Anyway, you can't really tell. Like, I don't know how to explain it.
Oh. Me too.
Okay, so
Mommy.
I am enjoying the phone so far.
Mommy.
And I haven't done anything, but I will need a pop socket until I get used to the size difference. Cause it doesn't, hold on. It doesn't look that much bigger, but it's like heavier. But it is also bigger too.
This. Mama, this bucket. This bucket.
Yeah, that phone bigger.
Phone. Bigger.
It's way heavier, and I feel like that's what's throwing me. Cause it is, well, it is a little thicker.
Little.
But I always put like a big, ooh,
Phone.
them big bulky cases.
Mama.
My phone gonna go to 2 pounds now. But I like cases like this.
Mama.
And it always like up the size. But this, if I put,
Mama, cheers.
I did order one though. I want to do a case collection. Cheers. But I gotta let them all come in first. Well, that's cool. You see I'm going like this, and the time is like shifting. Like there's like a, I don't know.
Mama. G.
I'm trying to see what else to show y'all.
Got me.
But it's like all the same stuff. I just didn't have, I didn't have iOS. What is this, 26? 16? What is this? What's the number?
My phone.
Like my phone broke right here so bad. If the front camera don't even register.
Mama.
Let me make sure. Well, everything
Mama,
is
help you.
Go ahead and erase this phone. I'm probably gonna take it today because I did trade it in.
I'm on.
Like, but I don't know. I really don't have a use for it other than her. But what does she need this for? Well, I guess I don't know what it's doing, but Verizon, I can have this. It is cute. This is cute. It was a good phone. I wanted it, I got it. I wanted this, I got it now. I like how much faster it is though. I don't know about the iOS, but the phone itself is like super quick.
Phone.
Very fast response times.
Mama, dummy.
You tell me what's wrong with your tummy. Now I can't say this was easier to set up. The replacement phones, I don't know. Every time I got one, I've had to go up to the Verizon store and have them do something with the eSIM. I guess because it was broken, like broken. Like the first time I broke it. The first time I broke my phone, I slammed my phone in the car door. How? I don't know. So don't ask. It fell. I thought it was like, you know, I've never seen a phone fall in the in between the crack of the door and like the outside of the car. Like, I've never seen that before. So for that to even happen, it blew me. I ain't have a phone for a couple days, but it was fun. Then y'all know I dropped the last one in water. And this one. So, but I was able to use everything that was on this phone because the screen still worked. So I guess that was different. I don't know. But hopefully, well, not hopefully, this phone will last me till the apple fall off. I don't got time. I kept saying I don't want another phone. I'm gonna keep this phone till the apple fall off, and that's basically what it did. So whoop-de-doo. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.